everybody, welcome back to Law Prep Tutorials official YouTube channel. Today we have with us our A-Lit shining star. Hello Khushbu, how are you?
Hi, I'm great.
So welcome here. And it's I'm so proud right now because I've seen all of these students grow in a sense as a human and practice. कितना ज़्यादा इन लोगों ने मेहनत की है, कितना हार्ड वर्क ये पुट इन करते हैं. So खुशबू, congratulations first of all, and how are you feeling right now?
I am actually very overwhelmed क्योंकि मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि मेरा ऐसा रिजल्ट आएगा बिकॉज जिस दिन एलिट था उसी दिन क्लैट का रिजल्ट आया था रात को एंड आई वाज वेरी डिसहार्टेंड. तो आई वाज मोर ऑफ जो होगी देखी जाएगी व्हेन आई वेंट फॉर माय क्लैट एग्जाम. And surprisingly it went like really well, but
Yes.
at the same time I was scared when I came back home कि इसमें भी cut off high जाएगी, and same thing happened with me in CLAT. But all in all, God's plan, it turned out just perfect.
Yes.
And here I am.
To ask you about that, your CLAT's rank is not nice, right? It is in thousands, but then you were not planning to give A-Lit earlier to this. As to what I remember, we had a nice talk. So now, when you think about that decision that yes, it was necessary and I'm supposed to give A-Lit, बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो ये सोचते हैं कि नहीं, CLAT is important. CLAT में बहुत सारी सीट्स है, we should go for CLAT. A-Lit में सिर्फ 120 सीट्स है, 200 सीट्स है, reservation भी है, so we should not definitely go for it. Now that if we had a chance, we would not be going to any of the top schools in CLAT, but then हम definitely एक बहुत अच्छी रैंकिंग NLU में जा रहे हैं through A-Lit. So do you have any advice कि आप अगर CLAT कर रहे हैं तो आपको A-Lit 100% देना चाहिए? Anything relation to that?
Yeah, I mean obviously अगर आप CLAT के लिए prepare कर रहे हो तो CLAT and A-Lit somehow have the same syllabus.
Yes.
So you're like simultaneously you're जाने अनजाने में you're preparing for A-Lit also.
Now तो CLAT is including AR also.
Exactly.
तो अब एक ही सब्जेक्ट इन्होंने पीछे छोड़ा था.
Exactly. तो और इसमें ज़्यादा कोई डिफरेंस नहीं रहा है, बस तुमको जाके और एक और एग्जाम के नाम से तुमको देना है.
Yes.
Otherwise it's similar to CLAT, like very similar to CLAT. एंड आई थिंक इसके लिए तुमको ऐसा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डालने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ती. आई जस्ट हैड टू लाइक A-Lit से पहले मुझे कुछ भी ऐसा रिवाइज नहीं करना पड़ा जैसे RC और लीगल वगैरह में, बिकॉज वो ऑलरेडी हो चुका था
before
आई
CLAT.
जस्ट हैड टू ब्रश अप ऑन माय GK व्हिच आई डिड एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट लाइक अमेजिंग.
Yes, so that is great because you've already practiced a lot. So I would again urge all the students जो भी ये देख रहे हैं, please always fill your forms for CLAT and A-Lit as well. As the day that you start preparing, you should prepare both, right? And I also want to ask about the mental state, like you mentioned there. इन्होंने जो भी किया कर दिया. They gave the result just the night before the A-Lit's paper. Everybody was shocked. Everybody was petrified. And she did not even come meet me. I got to know it yesterday only. She was wearing a hoodie, camouflage, and just ran away. So while you were giving the paper, of course, it changes a lot of things.
It
So
did.
how did you maintain your calm and composure? Because it happened with you, and it happened with the rest of the people who were giving the paper.
So I'll tell you, like a month before CLAT, I was having this huge up and down thing of emotions where I was one Sunday I was breaking down, the other I was so motivated, and the next Sunday I was breaking down again.
Yes.
कि what if it does not happen? And I told this to Anupama ma'am also कि ma'am मुझे तो लग ही नहीं रहा मेरा top 5 तो छोड़ो, मुझे तो लग ही नहीं रहा मेरा CLAT में होगा करके. But she said कि खुशबू, we can't do anything until and unless you start believing in yourself.
Yes.
Like you need to do that, you need to put yourself at the priority, right? So that really struck me कि भाई मैं खुद के ऊपर ही believe नहीं कर रही हूँ, तो फिर how can I expect other people to
Actually
have the
believe
faith
in me.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that happened and that kind of motivated me for CLAT. But जिस दिन CLAT का रिजल्ट आया उसके अगले दिन A-Lit था. I was studying for my A-Lit in fact उसी दिन उसी टाइम पे. इतने में I saw अनुपमा मैम का notification कि check your CLAT result whatever. So I opened it, and the moment I opened it, I was in tears. Okay,
Yes.
because
Definitely, it's very saddening.
it was devastating because I worked hard all year for CLAT. Like A-Lit तो ऐसे था कि mocks दे देते थे.
Like everyone else.
Yeah,
Yes.
mocks दे देते थे, ये करते थे, वो करते थे. But then, like I told my father about it, he was sleeping, so he did not pay heed to it. similar my mom. But then I called my best friend crying कि ये हुआ ये वो. तो पहले he was like कि कोई बात नहीं खुशबू, it's fine, I mean होता है, लिस्ट में आगे निकल जाएगा करके. But that was not convincing enough
Yes,
for me.
not at all.
तो फिर उसके बाद में I was like कि whatever, I don't want to give Elite only, मेरे को तो देना ही नहीं है ना. तो मैं तो जो भी आएगा ना वो ऐसे ही करके आ जाऊंगी करके. तो he told me कि खुशबू, you need to understand that God is giving you another chance.
Yes, definitely.
Immediately after like this blunder
Result,
happened.
yes.
Right. So you need to be an opportunist here and you need to seize that chance. I took that seriously and I got back to studying. And when I studied, मेरे को थोड़ा ऐसा confidence आया. And एलेट के पेपर वाले दिन आई वॉज नॉट नर्वस एट ऑल बिकॉज पूरे साल सिर्फ क्लैट 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 सुना ना. तो मेरे क्लैट के टाइम पे आई वॉज वेरी नर्वस. बट एलेट के टाइम पे मैंने अपना लाइक नेचुरल खेला and I think that worked in my favor.
Of course. Yes, that is very nice that you said that yes, you should seize the opportunities that are with you right now. What has happened has already happened. You may not go back in the future and change, back in the past and change it. But then you definitely have your future in hands. What if you destroy that? अब पूरा उस पे अगर लेके बैठे रहोगे, you won't be able to do things that are ahead of you. So starting from that, I don't think you had any particular preparational problems except the QT what we talk about. So how have you improved from, because the whole people are actually scared of ALET क्योंकि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मैथ होती है. So do you think इसमें सच में ऐसा कुछ है, और is it just a myth that maths जिसको नहीं आती है वो definitely ALET नहीं कर सकता है?
I don't think ALET में as such math इतनी आती है. CLAT के comparison में
नहीं आती है. It's just the calculation.
It's just pure logic. And in fact like मुझे honestly मेरे during my CLAT preparation मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा legal में दिक्कत आई थी. मुझे QT में भी इतनी दिक्कत नहीं आई थी. And I would like कुछ ऐसा phase आता था जिसमें ना मेरे लीगल में मार्क्स अच्छे आ रहे होते थे, मैं नुपुर मैम से बात भी नहीं करती थी. और फिर जैसे ही मार्क्स ऐसे डाउन जाने लगते थे मैं नुपुर मैम के पास आती थी एंड शी जस्ट यू वुड अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा मार्क्स तेरे कम हो गए. एंड देन शी वुड बी लाइक कि ये कर. So I think
even that is a phase. Yes, I do enjoy all of these things, that yes, sometimes they're all, you know, dreamy and walking around कि अरे अभी तो हम topper हैं, and some different mock comes and just one or two mocks you guys would wait and then कि मैम अब तो स्कोर ही नहीं आ रहा है, अब तो होगा ही नहीं, अब क्या होगा.
I was तो लास्ट के मॉक्स में उल्टा like you know थोड़े हार्ड हो जाते हैं. तो मुझे तो और भी डर लगने लग गया था कि what am I going to do. और फिर उसके बाद में like
but you've done just fine, right? You've done great. ऐसे कोई बड़ी problem नहीं है. For GK, what was your strategy? Like, have you done GK वाला CLAT Express like 10 times? बहुत सारा मटेरियल लिया या क्या किया? GK में क्या strategy थी?
Honestly, I as a person, I don't enjoy studying syllabus का things.
हाँ.
Right? I'm an avid reader वैसे. मैं आप मुझे literature ला के दे दो, I can read it all day. But syllabus के time पे I'm not studious at all. है ना. तो फिर मेरे को थोड़ा ऐसे टायरिंग लगता था GK क्योंकि एक ही चीज़ बार है ना. तो it was very tiring for me. But then again मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब तो करना तो पड़ेगा ही.
Yes.
Right. And I was done with everything. I was done with my RC, CR, QT, सबके concepts हो गए थे. तो the last thing was GK. तो क्योंकि मुझे पहले से ही it used to be very tiring for me कि मैं इतना सारा GK पढूं. तो I just stuck to one source which was CLAT Express और class notes. और वही मैंने काफ़ी बार करे, revise करे. So I think that really helped. और मतलब it was sufficient.
Yes, and it was for people who don't know, in this time ALET's paper, GK was a deciding factor. It was not AR, it was not RC, it was definitely GK. So any tips for students out there who are going to prepare for GK, especially for people, like this is not just your problem, it's every student's problem कि एक बारी पढ़ लिया ना भाई हो गया, but then there are dates, there are indexes, there are censuses, सब याद रखना पड़ता है. So even though you don't like it, to revise, go back again and again, what is your one step guidance कि ये तो कर लेना, like you said that anyway it's a do or die situation that you have to do it. So anything that you said to yourself that they should also think about?
I think it would be कि that only, as ma'am said, कि do or die situation है. And personally for me, I don't have anyone in my family. I'm the first generation lawyer.
Yes.
Right. So it was literally a do or die situation, because then, like, first of all, you can't, it's hard for you to become a first generation lawyer in
Yes.
the first place. And secondly, जब आप private college में जाते हो तो it's pretty, like, you know, after your parents have spent so much money on your coaching, your resources and everything. और मैं बहुत परेशान करती थी मेरे parents को कि मुझे ये चाहिए ये वाला
Yes. I do have the complaint box made already.
हाँ एक्चुअली, और मेरे साथ तो ये होता था कि सेकंड लास्ट पीटीएम तक यू वर लाइक, मेरे पेरेंट्स वो कंप्लेनिंग एंड यू वर लाइक कोई बात नहीं, इसका थोड़ा चंचल स्वभाव है, कोई बात नहीं,
Yes.
मस्ती रुक जाएगी. बट लाइक वन थिंग दैट आई वुड सजेस्ट इज, जब आप पढ़ो सिर्फ पढ़ो, भले ही कम पढ़ो, आपको इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप दिन में 8-10 घंटे पढ़ो, बट इवन इफ यू स्टडिंग फॉर 4 hours, study, like actually study, keep your gadgets
Yes.
away or whatever, and actually study. And no matter how tiring it is, you need to push yourself in order to achieve something. Like it's a no pain no gain situation here.
Yes, definitely. But then you have to understand that people sit with the book for 10 hours and they've not even read for particularly 10 minutes. So that is not productive studies that we talk about. Even if you study for 4 hours, but then it is super productive. It is very essential that you study for the time that you are actually studying. जबरदस्ती book लेके मत बैठो, right?
Actually, और अगर आप ये सब करते हो तो you're deceiving yourself.
Yes.
आपके दिमाग में चल रहा होगा कि oh I sat for 10 hours, but in reality you did not even study for 10 minutes, so it's not fruitful for you.
Yes, so mature of her to actually say deceiving yourself. And in every preparation, if you're not true to your preparation, you're not true to yourself, आप खुद से झूठ बोलते हैं, आपको पता है you've not done enough, आपने legal express नहीं, CLAT express नहीं करी, आपने notes नहीं पढ़े, and then you're like no I've done 100% preparation. ये preparation नहीं हुई, आप खुद से झूठ बोलते हैं. आप अगर खुद से सच बोलेंगे, I'm 100% sure whatever you're doing right now, you'll be content with it.
I mean, अगर आप नहीं करते हो उसके बाद तो ब्लेम गेम ही शुरू हो जाता है, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो एक साल एक कोचिंग में रहेंगे, उससे नहीं सिलेक्शन होगा तो कोचिंग चेंज करेंगे. It is not the coaching that you should change, it is your mindset that you should change and your ways to study that you should change.
Definitely. So Khushbu is right now in the Zen zone where she is stating all the factors जो कि आपके Zen में होने चाहिए. So Khushbu, apart from that, legal में I'm pretty much sure the paper came easy. We haven't prepared you for that easy paper. Actually, we were preparing for a very tougher paper. So it was very easy for you to solve. So paper में current भी आया था, static भी आया था. So current में what were the things that you followed to, you know, read yourself or brush up your knowledge?
Current में the one thing that helped a lot was Legal Express.
Yes.
Legal Express में क्योंकि आपका केस लॉस भी हो जाता था, साथ में आपका थोड़ा बहुत जीके भी हो जाता था.
And questions भी हमने उसमें साथ में दिया था.
Questions भी हो जाते
Yes.
थे. तो मैंने लीगल एक्सप्रेस इतना अच्छे से और लीगल की प्रैक्टिस इतना अच्छे से कर ली थी कि मैं पैसेज पढ़ के प्रिडिक्ट कर पा रही थी कि कौन से क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं.
Yes.
और मतलब क्वेश्चन की स्टेम पढ़ते ही मुझे ऐसा आ जाता था कि या इसका आंसर तो ये.
That's the answer that they're wanting for.
Yeah.
Yes, very true. So the paper was quite okay, and even this year's ALIT's paper was quite okay. उन्होंने इस बार ALIT में बड़ी अलग टाइप की लीगल दी थी. So any views on that legal?
ऑनेस्टली लॉ प्रेप के मॉक्स ने हमको हर टाइप की लीगल के लिए प्रिपेयर कर दिया था, तो इट वाज नॉट सरप्राइजिंग टू मी एट ऑल. ऑल्दो मैंने पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चंस देखे थे, उनके कंपैरिजन में अगर मैं देखूं तो इट वाज डेफिनेटली सरप्राइजिंग. बट अगर मैं लॉ प्रेप के मॉक्स नहीं करती तो आई थिंक मेरे लिए बहुत ऐसा आई वुड हैव बीन फ्लैबरगैस्टेड कि ये क्या हो गया. आई वाज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस, बट लॉ प्रेप के मॉक्स में सब हो गया मेरा.
I don't know if I should take this as a compliment, but I'm definitely taking this as a compliment now. So just few last motivational words for the students out there who are listening to you, who are starting their preparation. Anything that you would like to say specifically now? First, I would say CLAT के साथ ALIT की भी तैयारी करो. And now that you know ALIT, you never thought it to be your A game, but then it turned out that this is the best option and it is your A++ game.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I was never a very studious student. मुझे पढ़ना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, ठीक है. But so I think if I can do it, anyone can do it. ऊपर से I had attention का issues also. Like it was very hard for me to pay attention to stuff. But I put myself to practice, and I feel like if I am doing it, I am pushing myself. Being the chanchal swabhav ka person that I was, I think anyone can do it. So
Yes.
I would suggest believe in yourself, have a good company around you so that they can motivate you, they can have your back always, and yeah, listen to your parents and teachers. That's all I would say. And practice well and study well.
Yes, so thank you everyone. It was so nice, Khushbu. I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. And pretty much sure your phone should be confiscated and your screen time should be limited. But then yes, thank you.